Hello everyone, welcome to this channel again. So before going to the main topic, I request you to please subscribe this channel as because your subscription is very much necessary for the growth of this channel. And this is a very unique channel regarding pressure cooker, its technicality, its uses, its benefits and many more. And it's a unique channel in YouTube also. So today's topic is the difference between normal steel pressure cooker and tri-ply steel pressure cooker. So here I have chosen two pressure cooker. One of them is normal pressure cooker, normal steel pressure cooker, which you are acquainted with, and another is tri-ply pressure cooker. So tri-ply is the very new concept, and so I'm coming. So here both are 3 liters pressure cooker. So this is tall and this is wide. So maybe this is tall and wide, but both of them are 3 liters in capacity. So this is tri-ply pressure cooker and this is steel pressure cooker. So both are made up of steel, but there are some differences. So I'm coming to the differences. So first of all, I am removing the lid of the pressure cooker. 1 minute, please. So in both of them, the lid are made up of steel. Okay, so both of them, the lid are made up of steel, and in good pressure cooker and good company, the steel is 18 by 8 grade or 304 grade. This is the very high quality stainless steel pressure cooker. So in both these cases, the lids are made up of steel, and in good company pressure cooker, they normally provide 18 by 8 grade or 304 grade pressure cookers, 4 grade stainless steel for making of the lid. But the difference comes in case of the body. So I am removing the lid in both the cases. Sorry. Okay. So here you can see that this is the tri-ply body. Here it is the tri-ply body. You can see that this is the tri-ply body. Okay, and this is the normal stainless steel pressure cooker body. So this is the normal stainless steel pressure cooker body. I am showing the bottom also to confirming you that they both have the capacity of 3 liters. Okay, so the difference between this is the normal steel and this is the tri-ply steel. So normal steel pressure cooker, they are made up of steels, but the total body is made up of steel, but at the lower portion, the bottom is fixed with one aluminum sandwich bottom. It is called aluminum sandwich bottom. That is steel, aluminum and steel. So inert steel part, middle aluminum which is not seen, and aluminum disc is covered with another steel part. Here you can see that this is so this is separately attached to prevent the hot spot during cooking. As you know that the in cooking in steel sometimes results in burning also. So to check this burning and mishap, this aluminum sandwich base is attached separately with the steel made pressure cooker. So this is the very normal with stainless steel made pressure cooker, and you are acquainted with this kind of stainless steel bases in the pressure cooker or stainless steel utensils. But the difference is in case of tri-ply. Tri-ply pressure cooker body is made up of total tri-ply of inner steel. Here you can see that inner part is steel, middle this is aluminum, there is aluminum, and outer is steel. So total body is made up of uniform steel, aluminum and steel. Inner steel is food grade 304 grade, and inner aluminum, middle aluminum is proper distribution for heat, and outer is what should I say, 430 grade stainless steel, which is induction compatible stainless steel. So the benefit of this tri-ply is that in case of this traditional stainless steel pressure cooker, if you heat more, if you heat more in occasional cases, this can lead to the separation of this induction base or aluminum sandwich base. But in case of tri-ply, this will not happen, as because the total pressure cooker body is made up of uniform steel, aluminum and steel tri-ply. So there is no case of this kind of mishap of detaching of base. So, and this is the tri-ply is what should I say, this is just like non-stick. You need less oil for cooking also, and it heats faster than the traditional steel pressure cooker. But the pressure cooking time remains same for both of the cookers, but it is more hygienic, more scientific, and more easy to use, and very convenient kind of technology. This is tri-ply technology. So this is all for this. So if you want, then you can go for this tri-ply, but the price range is much higher as compared to the normal stainless steel pressure cooker, but the benefits are much more than normal stainless steel pressure cooker. So if you further choose any kind of stainless steel pressure cooker or stainless steel utensils, then go for the tri-ply model, not normal steel model. So tri-ply is the best, so you can go for that. And make sure that your cooker should have carry the ISI mark. Here you can see that the ISI mark is here. Okay, yes, this is the ISI mark. Okay, so ISI mark means this is standard standard maintenance. So you should buy a pressure cooker with ISI always. So this is for today. So with another issue I will come on another day. So take care, bye. And if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. You are always free to ask. Thank you, and please support my channel and subscribe this channel. Bye.